this relic? Boop, 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 boop. It's a snake. I feel like I'm gonna need hand sanitizer after this. Scrubbing doesn't always sound like a fun way to clean. Here's a cleaning method you've probably never heard of. It's not tarnished. I was kind of looking for some tarnished silverware to clean, but this is pretty clean, pretty good. A little dusty. Is it a bottle opener? Oh, it's only $5. But I like that it's a pineapple. Some tarnished silverware. Like this one has a bunch of corrosion and whatnot on it. It's only $15 for one spoon. Oh, the forks are cool too.
Yes, they are.
That one. Ultrasonic cleaning machines use sound waves to do the scrubbing for you. Devices like these are used across many industries, from medical to industrial. But they're handy to clean objects at home, like glasses, your stash of bling, small tools and personal care items, and that list goes on and on. Everybody here is after all the silver. I've heard everybody say like, I want the silver, I want the silver. We came to the right place. Everybody's after the silver. I want the necklace, but that one's $45. No discounts. See, this one's the right price, $25, but I'm not a Gemini. I wonder how much these are, these bracelets. There's a few things you'll want to avoid, like wood, ceramics, and certain jewelry items like pearls and emeralds. Metal, plastic, basically anything non-porous that fits inside. And all that's required to start is water. Put the items in and run the machine. So those sound waves are essentially scrubbing away any grime and residue on the items. Ultrasonic cleaning can also kill germs and bacteria. It's just a really nifty cleaning tool. Of course, always follow the manual for the specific device. Only use water or liquids designed to use in the machine. Sounds like a fun way to use science to clean at home. It's such a cool place. They have so many unique things here. You know, while we're here, let's just see what else they have. Thrift stores are full of surprises, so, you know, giving it a quick once over. Some old Pyrex, tons of baking stuff, some Corningware. I mean, people always love some Corningware. Should we be thrifting old Classico bottles? I mean, honestly, I can get this for $4 with the pasta sauce in it. They've got everything here. Got an aquarium, terrarium. Back in the day where a 5-disc changer was like the pinnacle of technology. If you had one of these, you had made it in life. This was the symbol of success. And now I have 10 million songs in the palm of my hand. I saw a video where somebody was like, had their Polaroid camera and they did this. I was like, that's where the selfie started. Selfies didn't start with like cell phones. They started with Polaroid cameras where people were like, please. How about this for an illuminating cleaning solution? Let's put a spotlight on UV cleaning. UV light has powerful properties to disinfect. Hospitals use UV light to kill germs and bacteria. You can do the same at home or on the go. A UV light wand can Avada Kedavra on a microscopic level. The same UV light that's used in air purification systems. And these can be lightweight, portable, and affordable. The UV light needs to be close to the surface and it'll take about 5 to 10 seconds. And these can be great travel tools for high-touch areas like remotes, switches, and knobs. Disinfecting all without chemicals. Just avoid looking directly into the light. Don't go to the light. Don't use it on skin or animals. There's a variety of UV cleaning boxes that can clean anything you can put inside. Just cleaning up those everyday items. Oh my God, there's something on there that's glowing. Well, it may seem like magic, it's really just science. Lumos. Today I'm just going leisurely. No list, just my brain. Not looking up where I need to go. Just gonna go down each aisle, find what I need. 100 degrees outside, but we're already planning for fall. The people on the front look like, oh, let's just have a nice fun game. And then right here, it looks like they're in the Hunger Games. USA toilets. I love a good American toilet. I always have to check. Sometimes they have adult themed shoes here. This is what I was looking for. Buzz Lightyear high tops. Stylish. Currently not in store, must order online. No, I love Swiffer, and I've got the regular mop one, but like what makes Power Mop? Here's where it says, 5 times more cleaning power, cleans floors in minutes. Well, I'll wait for my current one to break, but then I will upgrade to this Power Mop. When the pressure's on, choose a method that makes cleaning easier. Let's harness the power of water and air. So this was on the mission. I need to find an affordable power washer. Does such a thing exist? One does not know. So my brother has this thing. It looks like a vacuum, kind of, but it's a power washer and you just connect the hose to it. So I'm trying to see if they have something like that. This one's not too bad. It's a $100. Portable electric power washer. I think we're gonna go with this one. Ugh. Good Lord, portable? How's something 50 pounds portable? This thing is heavy. Ugh. Whether you're an air or water bender, pressure can make cleaning easier. These canisters are effective, but they can be dangerous, but there's an electric alternative. Electric compressors are great, they can be multi-purpose. Of course, this is perfect for dusting those nooks and crannies. And those accessories can help you inflate tires and sports equipment. And for those outdoor cleanup projects, you can go heavy duty. Here's where I don't know what I need. I really do kind of feel like just this simple one would be good. It's also funny, sometimes they repackage stuff, so now I don't know which packaging looks better. They're like exactly the same thing. This comes with the multiple sizes. Inflation needle, blowgun, tire gauge, thread sealant tape, quarter plug-in, quarter-in industrial coupler, recoil air nozzle. Yes, sure. So this has everything in it. I don't think I need anything else. Oh, this doesn't have the hose. It's all the bits and pieces, but no hose. At-home air compressing units can be great help in cleaning up debris and wash dirt away with pressurized water. Full-scale pressure washers can be expensive, but there are some affordable varieties or just simple attachments that can get the job done. And because it's pressurized, you'll actually use less water. Hold the phone. I think this is what we want. So this turns your regular hose into sort of a power washer. It's only 20 bucks. It's just a high pressure nozzle. It's not necessarily a power washer. I think this may be a better solution because it's much more affordable. 20 bucks versus a $100 power washer. Yeah. All right, putting this one back. By exploring the store for about 45 minutes, I found more effective, more affordable options. So for projects big and small, take the pressure off yourself and put it to work. Favorite section, here we go. Just nothing but cleaning devices. Look at this variety. Check this out. We got the mops. There's a specific one I had in mind because it's multiple tools in one. So instead of buying a fabric steamer and all these types of steamers, it has attachments and you can just make it whatever you want, whatever you need for cleaning. But I don't see it here. To readjust our search. Love some distilled water. Lots of cleaning, lots of distilled water needed. Ooh, steam cleaners. Irons, regular steamers. I think this is the one I have. It doesn't really have many attachments on this one. This does wet and dry? Ooh, 200 bucks. I see you. This is cool. It works as a dry vacuum and a wet one. We live in a blessed age, we really do. The one I was looking for, I neglected to notice that it said out of stock on the app. That's why I could not find it. Copy that. Every trip is a successful trip, but this trip we only got water. You know I love natural cleaning products, but what's more natural than water? Let's heat things up with good old H2O. Aisle 39 is what we're looking for. Oh yeah, jackpot. So much variety. Oh, I think this is the one. Oh no, this is just the steam mop. I want the one with all the attachments. They are having a rockin' time. I promise I did my research before this, but I'm not finding the one I want. Is that the theme of today? Just wholly being unprepared. Yeah, 7-in-1. This is awesome. Look what it has, a cleaning mitten. This is gonna be dope. Am I the only person whose job it is to clean stuff and get excited for new cleaning products? I think a lot of people get excited about cleaning products. Off we go. Steam is a powerful, single ingredient cleaning solution. While these are usually for clothes, you can actually use them all around the house. A multi-purpose steam cleaner can be even more versatile, with a variety of attachments to tackle different jobs. The heat from steam can deodorize, sanitize, and reduce allergens. And steam also makes it effortless to cut through grease and grime. It like ate through everything that was caked up on here. It's a steam mop? You are a steam mop? Maybe this is the one. This is the one I was originally looking for. 10-piece. It even comes with like a base station, 7 attachments, floor extension, pivoting mop head, detail brush, grout brush, metal grate brush, window and glass cleaning, squeegee, and a garment steamer with sock. Perfect. I think we're gonna go with this one. Why did I pick up so much stuff that I just have to return? My favorite things to clean are floors, windows, and all around the kitchen. Be gone, sticky spot on the floor. I like to say if it's too big for the washing machine or dishwasher, steam's probably a good go-to. With one tool, you can replace products under your sink like bottles and scrubbers. The only rule here is don't use steam on anything that's not moisture or heat resistant. Vinegar, I still love you, but steam is hard to beat.